Actress Deepika Padukone is being trolled by fans of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. They seem to be upset with the actress because she had been vocal about depression and mental health on social media soon after Sushant died on June 14. On Thursday, even the hashtag Supreme Court for SSR started trending on Twitter ahead of a scheduled Supreme Court hearing in the case. Sushant's fans also claimed that Deepika, through a series of tweets from the evening of June 14, had tried to establish that the late actor was battling depression. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, police did not register FIR. Deepika started chanting depression theory. Doctors vanished. Home Minister of Maharashtra and DCP terming suicide case something very wrong in system. We want CBI inquiry. We want justice, tweeted a user. Dear Deepika Padukone, hope you are not depressed. Just asking. Supreme Court for SSR, wrote another user. The most unpleasant thing is not that she claimed he was depressed, giving her support to the theory of a driven by depression suicide that helped her to cover up the killers, but when she understood depression was only an excuse to cover up the murder, she never apologized, tweeted another user. On the evening of June 14, Deepika Padukone had tweeted, as a person who has had lived experience with mental illness, I cannot stress enough about the importance of reaching out. Talk, communicate, express, seek help. Remember, you are not alone. We are in this together, and most importantly, there is hope. Repeat after me, depression is an illness, reads Deepika's tweet from June 15. Repeat after me, depression is a form of mental illness, the actress had tweeted on June 16. Repeat after me, depression is an illness like any other illness, she had tweeted on June 17. Deepika's series of tweets on depression and mental health continued till June 21, after which she became silent on Twitter on the subject.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.